On a site filled with light and greenery, this house stands not as a confining wall, but as a space that invites nature in. Every corner seems designed to allow residents to experience the presence of sky, wind, and light without having to leave the comfort of home. It's not just a residence, but a pavilion that blends into the garden. Yet beneath its simplicity, there's a strong pavilion feel. Its wide roof seems to stretch out its arms, protecting the space below while still opening itself to the surrounding garden. This is the hallmark of pavilion architecture. It offers both protection and freedom, creating a beautiful transitional space between indoors and out. A closer look reveals traces of Japanese influence in this design approach. The simplicity of the materials, the connection to nature, and the overhanging roof are all reminiscent of traditional Japanese homes. It's not just a visual style, but a philosophy that true comfort comes from harmony with nature, not from luxury. Private spaces are tucked away in quiet corners, providing privacy uninterrupted from the heart of the home. From each space, small steps lead residents to a spacious central area where light flows freely and views of the outdoors open wide. This short journey creates a balance between personal introspection and warm togetherness. The natural materials chosen further emphasize its identity. Wood, earth, and stone not only provide warmth but also create an honest and serene atmosphere. This house teaches us that the best design is one that makes us feel close to the earth without sacrificing modern comforts. This is a contemporary minimalist home with touches of pavilion and Japanese inspiration. A combination that creates a simple, warm, yet philosophical living space. It reminds us that architecture is not just about form, but about how space can create a sense of peace, togetherness, and connection with nature. Ultimately, this house's style conveys a very clear message. Beauty does not always lie in luxury, but in balance. A balance between privacy and openness, between protection and freedom, between humans and their natural surroundings. A style that not only builds a home, but also fosters a new perspective on life.